everyone. Today this new update, I'm gonna finally be able to do the snowstorm I've been trying to do for a long time. And guys, I'm in love with this hair. I know I'm copying Claire, but like, bro, so damn cute, so cute. I'm keeping this. Okay, my new outfit. So greedy. Guys, why is this there? Okay, get in there and stay in there. Oh my god, it's actually snowing. That didn't happen for a long time. I've been just like doom scrolling on YouTube. I just looked outside and it's snowing. You know what time it is? I'm gonna put my computer back. Guys, move the lamp. Stay there. Get the Christmas tree. Wait, wrong face. Where's the twins? I wanted to show them that we could like go play outside and do activities. Oh, Amelia, yeah, why are you outside? It's snowing. Brother dared me to do this for a dare. Oh my god, come inside. Let me put this away. Oh my god, no way. He's gonna be in so much trouble. I just know. Oh my god. I'm freezing with this. He made me wear shorts on the basis. Oh my god. Okay, we have to go and put you in your clothes. Guys, why is he brown? I know I fed him a brownie. Okay, he's... Just tossing these away and putting this over. Just get the strawberries and put it on there. I'm just leaving the lizard here. Oh my god, okay, let me get you changed. OMG, like, what? He's gonna be in trouble, like actual trouble. Okay, let me change you into this. Okay, let me put away your clothes. Okay, guys, I'm sorry they don't have a closet yet. We'll go tell mom. But sis, it's freezing. Okay, you go in front of my... And again, I lost it.
What do you mean?
And guys, I'm in my school, so sorry about the extra talking. Kind of annoying, actually. Guys, I lost the heater. No, my hotspot's ditosi.
Okay, that's our adjective, and we're going to think of other
Okay, just gonna pretend she had a fireplace all this time. Oh my god, why does it have to be covering everything? That's why I don't really like this cluttered room. Why is there a golden banana? Okay, pretend instead of the plant, it was a fireplace. Shredder go. Whenever I want something to go in the shredder, it never goes in the shredder. But whenever I don't want something to go in the shredder, it goes in the shredder. Okay, let me turn on the heater. Let me turn on the fire. Guys, I always have to, like...
Victoria.
Wait, let me put it back to face. It's okay. Stand there.
Awesome is one.
We get the guy. I'm just gonna move it a little. Okay, here.
Awesome.
Watch you behind. No, come back.
Cairo, do you have
Twin.
a synonym for good? Your hands up.
Go by the fireplace. Okay, let me go downstairs and tell mom. I'm sorry about how I just like ditched you guys. Guys, I don't believe how many of my cousins have birthday parties on winter. I'm probably the only one on spring. My sister, winter. My mom, winter. My dad, winter. Me, spring. But anyway, let me... Mom, what happened? Isn't it snowing? Do you like it? No. Where's the boys? She's probably freezing out there. That's so funny. Oh yeah, what about them? They put Mila outside. I know I called her Rosie before. Mila, okay. Oh, I'm just gonna call her Rosie. Well, they put Rosie outside. Oh, no they didn't. I'm just gonna feed the baby really fast. Okay, she's sleeping. Guys, I know baby don't fall asleep. Picks up both. Mom, where you taking us? You go in time out. You know what? You're not getting the National Gingerbread Cookies. You're going in time out outside. Guys, I know this is child abuse. But Mom, it's freezing. But it's Tokaboka. I know it's freezing, but you shouldn't have done that. How long did you put outside? 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes. Can I feel so bad for her. Me too. Okay, I'm just gonna get Mila. Guys, my little cutie, are you okay? Yeah, Mom, will I have gingerbread? Oh yeah, will we have gingerbread? Oh, that sounds great. Okay, let's go. By the way, where's Sissy? I mean, Boo. I don't know what to call him. Bro, where's Big Bro? Oh, let me get them. I'll let you guys pass, but if you do this again... I'm so excited to eat the gingerbread. Just sit down. Okay. Gonna get the baby. And guys, I'm like so excited for Christmas. Last year, I gave you my heart, and the very next day, you gave it away. Okay, I'm just gonna give her milk. Because, guys, pretend that's like formula. I don't know. A chewable organic cookie. Okay, I'm gonna put the baby down. I'm just gonna put it in the baby heater. What? I hear some noise. Okay. Okay, I'm making your milk. Guys, I know this is a freezer, but pretend it's like a steaming heater. Okay. Let me pass out the cookie. Mmm. Eat the goddamn cookie. And, that was good. Okay, all of you sit on the couch and, immediately, guys, pretend this is powered. Immediately, guys, I'm just gonna make it sunset. I'm just gonna make a night. Why can't I see the sun? Okay. Night. Pew, 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 pew. Oh my god, okay. I'm gonna just... Oh my god, okay. Go to sleep. Okay. I'm gonna stay in the room. I'm just gonna bring this candle. Go to sleep, go to sleep, Go to sleep. I'm scared. We're gonna die. Okay. On YouTube? Why do you always look like this stuff on YouTube? Okay, you guys sit there. I'm gonna see the generator. Guys, pretend the generator is right over here behind us. Okay. This is really cold doing it. I have to put my warmth on my hand on the generator because it's frozen solid. That was hard. Bing! Bing! Bing, bing! Bing! Oh, okay, thank you, Claire. No, oh my God. Thank you, Audrey. Gonna put the candle back now. Bing! 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 Okay, let me try again. Guys, she's not pooping. She's pressing the wire, and it's hard. Okay, got it. Bing! 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 Oh my God! The snow's leaking in. Close the door. It's jammed. Try harder. I'll try. Guys, if she can't do it, you can't do it definitely. Guys, I know her shot is right here. Ring around the rosy, pockets full of posies. Okay. It's... Why is it doing that? I don't know. Boy, you don't know. Oh my God. Okay. Let me close the door. Close this one door. Pretend there's like a little crack. There's still a crack. Oh my God. Put the chair in front of it. Put the chair in front of it. Oh, okay. I have to put the laundry basket in front of it. Okay. Could this couch be any more useful?
It says Earth event. Some natural events happen quickly, while others happen slowly.
Guys, pretend like the bucket's like not outside but inside. Okay, guys, I think it's better now. Me too. Okay. And guys, I won't be able to do a thumbnail only with Pinterest because I have to pay to use it. It's been 7 days I've been making these Tokaboka and I got it free for 7 days. So sorry if it's not good quality because I'm honestly not that good of a drawer. I'm only very good at my art book. Okay, let's go. Okay. Stop making those sounds. You're making my ear bleed. I'm not making those sound. Here's when. Okay, the lights turn back on. Much better. Okay. Guys, I don't have a radio for them. Pretend like there's a radio under the bed. Beep, 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 beep. Wait, let me get the computer. What's that? Beep, 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 beep. Breaking news. Last call. The people that missed it, there was a snowstorm and the city, whoever went outside is not coming back. If any of your family members go outside, make sure to follow them and chase them to make sure they keep alive. And there's also been a prisoner escape that's a serial killer. So you have to stay cautious. And he loves going in snow. On blah 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 street. Bob Street. Yeah, Bob Street. There will be a snowstorm that goes up to 55 feet. almost the height of a house. So you guys should be very careful. Do not attempt to go outside. You will be blasted with UV radiation. The snow is UV. Oh my god! Guys! What happened? There's a snowstorm that goes up to 5 feet, but then like it raises up all the way to 56 feet. Oh my god! No! Ah! Okay, I'm just gonna hide behind a tree. Okay, they all hide in the portrait, and there's a serial killer. Okay, let's hide behind the. Okay, that's better. Sorry about my sister. She's here. Mom! And she's mad. She's calling my Forsaken characters on my wall zombies. Okay, I'm gonna say zombie. She's mad. Okay. Sorry if she's mad, but let me get into it.
Your volume on your TV is so low.
Okay, I'll turn it up. Okay. Sorry about that. And okay, do you think it's good? Yeah, I am. I think it's good. Okay.
You can't talk and listen at the same time.
Guys, wait a second. Mama. Guys, sorry about my mom. I'm doing work and she's kind of mad because I'm not paying attention. But, Mom, I will pay attention. Just in a few seconds. So, guys, I have to end this early. And then they pretend they like there's no devices. Then everything's okay. Then they're all happy. Let me turn off the snowstorm. Now it's just cloudy because there was a snowstorm. Okay, and this is the end. So goodbye, daddies. Pose for me. Bye-bye.